listen, come here. I want to tell you why people fail trying to start their coaching programs and make money and being paid as coaches, helping other people go through certain transformations, right? Do you see this behind me? Here is a vision board, right? A long time ago, I committed to the idea that I'm gonna become a successful online coach who is paid full-time no matter what. I made a strong decision that I am gonna succeed in life and start having a full-time income as an online coach. This is the first thing that's missing in other people's lives, making a strong decision that they're gonna achieve certain thing that they desire to achieve. I am into the idea of being a coach for 5 years now. 5 years ago, I made a decision I am gonna have a full-time income from this gig no matter what. I've been into this for 5 years, and only the last year of mine has become very stable year of mine because now I have a recurring monthly income from me being a coach. I'm running a membership group coaching program and I have people paying me monthly fees. It took me 5 years to find my way into this game, and everyone fails because of just that. They try for a month or two, but they never make a long-term commitment. You know what? I was willing to sacrifice everything for just this one idea. I gave up on me being a full-time photographer. I gave up on hanging too much with friends. I gave up on the idea of having any other job. I got into my cave here and I worked hard for 3, 4, 5 years to become a full-time online coach. Make a decision, believe in yourself, go after it. For you to build a consistent coaching practice, you will want to start signing people into your membership coaching program offer that's gonna provide you with a part-time and then full-time recurring income. If you would like to take the first steps with your own membership program and build it on Skool app, find the link down below. I have a free course for you and a free community where we support one another on this journey. Find the link down below, study my free course and get yourself going in life. See ya.